alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We welcome all our esteemed guests and the Zakat recipients, our distinguished speakers and valued members. On behalf of Al Mubarak Waqf Foundation, I am deeply honored to welcome you all to this Zakat Empowerment Workshop for 2024. Today, we gather not only to distribute Zakat, as per the instruction of the Zakat payers who have deemed it fit to distribute their Zakat through Al Mubarak Waqf Foundation, but to empower the recipients to become financially independent and thrive. We are empowering them with information and knowledge that will enable them to become Zakat givers, Zakat payers tomorrow, instead of just being Zakat recipients. Zakat, as we all know, is a cornerstone of our faith, a pillar of Islam that embodies the social responsibility and compassion. But charity alone is not enough. We believe in empowering individuals with building a brighter future for themselves and their families. We hope that these sessions and these lectures will help you to manage your finances effectively, to explore entrepreneurial opportunities, and to build a path towards financial freedom. We're also privileged to have distinguished speakers here today who will share knowledge with us in areas of Islamic wealth management, self-employment, and health. We will constitute a Zakat advisory committee of experts, inshallah, whose responsibility, as among other things, is the assessment of Zakat on all zakatable assets. For individuals that have problems with calculating their Zakat annually, we will render these services free of charge through Al Mubarak Waqf Foundation. Our Zakat collection and distribution has grown from 2.9 million in 2022 to 11 million in 2024. So inshallah, today we will be sharing about 11 million naira to the Zakat recipients. Our value propositions for our Zakat committee includes financial inclusion, that is including women and differently abled people, entrepreneurship training, training on simple bookkeeping, monitoring and impact assessment of Zakat beneficiaries. We will explain more on the impact assessment later when I give another paper, inshallah. And we also provide statistics that will enhance future planning, networking and establishing the bond of brotherhood among our ummah, sowing the seed of institutionalizing Zakat in the ummah. We are also providing services of a hassle-free collection and distribution of Zakat, unlike the recent case that happened in Bauchi where AYM Shafa was trying to share Zakat and unfortunately it claimed 18 lives. We are trying to institute a hassle-free and more coordinated Zakat collection and distribution. We implore all our Zakat payers to avail themselves of our innovative Zakat administration services to reclaim our Islamic lost glory by ensuring the payment of Zakat by those eligible to do so and alleviating poverty as is intended by Islam. We also encourage our Zakat payers to purify their wealth by paying the obligatory Zakat. In addition, we implore Zakat payers to pay their Zakat to their blood relations first as a way of solidifying the bond of kinship. We are also advising Zakat payers to pay reasonable amounts of Zakat to each of their chosen beneficiaries, such that it will serve as capital for them to start a trade or a vocation, thus promoting economic empowerment. We have an upcoming check presentation ceremony, which is just a symbolic gesture of our support. However, the true value lies in the knowledge that you will gain here today. Use it to your advantage, translate it into action, and become active participants in our economic landscape. We hope that when we gather here, you will be among the Zakat payers who are giving us Zakat to share among beneficiaries, inshallah. The Al Mubarak Waqf Foundation remains steadfast in its commitment to supporting your endeavors. We are here to guide you, connect you with resources, and celebrate your achievements. Jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu fikum.